你好. We'll keep doing our review on numbers, but today we'll explain more about the tone. Okay, we'll get there soon. Again, this is how you say numbers in Chinese. 数字 数字. And please take a look at those little signs or the little marks on top of this, the pronunciation. 数字. You can tell that they pronounce the same way, right? Okay, we're going to talk about 4 different tones later. All right, so numbers we reviewed from 0 all the way to number 10. Let's read all of them one more time. From 0. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 谢谢. If we're in the classroom, I'll ask you to come up to the smartboard to match the pronunciation and the characters, and you need to put them up here to match the correct numbers, right? But since you're on the other side of the screen, and I'm gonna have to do this for you, but now we're doing review on numbers. Also, I will explain to you about all the tones. We have 4 different tones in Chinese. Okay, we'll start from there. And let's do the numbers. So if you remember number 0, we pronounce 0. This is number 0. I'll put it down here. 0. And the character, remember, it's the hardest character to write. This is our number 0. We're going to move 0 over here. Okay. We'll clear our area so that we can work on those numbers. Number 1. Oh, I remember number 1 is the easiest number to write, right? Number 1. Pronunciation is E, like in easy. Number 2 sounds like the pirate. R. Oh, this is R. And number 2, we have 2 lines. Number 3 is 三. 三, we have 3 lines. Remember, 三 is the last number that we use lines to show, right? Number 4, pronunciation is 四, with 4 sides right here. Pronunciation is 四. And then we have number 5. Okay, can I move this over here? Number 5 is 五, like 5 little sticks. Here it is. Pronunciation is 五, right here. Number 6 looks like a person. Remember, sounds like my name. Is 六. 六. And number 7. Number 7 looks like an upside down 7. Looks like letter T, and sounds a little bit like number T. It's 七 with a little hook over here. 七. And then number 8 is the volcano. This is our volcano. Pronunciation is 八. 八. Sounds like the goat, right? 八. Right, that's your number 8. 八. And number 9 is 九. 九. Another number with little hook at the end over here. Number 10 is are you? 十. 十. 十 looks like a plus sign in your math. All right, the reason I didn't put them on the stairs is I want you to pay attention to all those tones. If you look at all the pinyin, so the top part we call pinyin, it's showing you the way you pronounce. But pinyin is not you always see when you read something in Chinese. When you read, you can only see the characters. But these pinyin, you will see pinyin when you learn some new characters or new words. It's showing you the pronunciation. So after you remember everything, and you will not see all those pinyin anymore. Instead, you only see characters, which means you need to remember if you see a character. For example, this. You need to know the meaning, which is number 4, and you need to know the pronunciation, which is 4, because you cannot see the pronunciation anymore. All right, but how do you know about the tones? In Mandarin Chinese, we have 4 different tone marks, and you can tell from up here. I'm going to put the same tone together. All right, we'll start from the first tone. The first tone is just a straight line, like your number 1, but it's a tone mark on top of your pinyin over here. So actually number 1 has the first tone too. So we're going to put all the first tone up here. First tone. E, I'll move both of them. E, and can you look for another first tone? Did you see it? This is not it. Oh, this is it. Number 7. And wait, number 8. Ba is also the first tone, right? I'm gonna move both of them up here. E, qi, and ba. Can you feel it? They pronounce the same way. The tone is high and flat. One more time. E, qi, ba. That's our first tone. Our second tone is tone goes up. We have 2. Funny thing is, one of them is our smallest number, which is ling. And one is our biggest number in here, which is number 10. Shi. All right, let's make more clear so that you can see them. That's our, oh, okay, E goes here. This is our second tone. Second tone, the mark goes up. Goes up. Feel the pronunciation. Ling, shi. One more time. Ling, shi. That's our second tone. Our third tone. Third tone is the only tone that you need to change your tone in the middle. Like you need to make it very, very low. You start with very, very low, and then your tone change, and then your tone goes up again. Let's try number 5. Wu, wu. Okay, and can you help me with another third tone? Did you find it? It's right here, right? It's our number 9. And let's pronounce number 9 again, and you can feel the same, like among those 2 numbers. Number 9 is 九, 九. Go back to number 5. 五, 五. Can you feel it? So, my tip for you to pronounce tone number 3, our third tone, you should start very, very low, like 五, 五. It will help if you lean your chin back a little bit. 五, 五. And number 9, 九, 九. That's our third tone. Third tone looks like a check mark on top of your pinyin. Okay. Oh, we missed one number 3 for our first tone, right? I'm pretty sure if we are in the classroom, I'll have students correct me already. I'm sorry, maybe you want to correct me, but I didn't hear you. Okay, now here we are. Let's try the first tone one more time. 1, 3, 7, 8. Okay, we group them together. Our second tone. 0, 10. Third tone. 5, 9. Okay, now we have 3 more down here. And these are our fourth tone. Fourth tone goes down. Please check on top of here. They all go down. The mark goes down. Okay, feel the pronunciation. 2, 4, 6. Can you feel it? It's like you're chopping something. 2, 4, 6. I call fourth tone chopping tone. All right. So now I want you to remember how you pronounce this fourth tone, and we're going to go back to this page. Do you see both characters? They pronounce the same way, and they are both using chopping tones, fourth tone, right? So hear the pronunciation again. 数字 chopping, right? 数字. Okay, I hope this helps you with your pronunciation. And just keep in mind that we have 4 different tone marks, and we'll practice together in the future. 谢谢，再见。